Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we got the 2011 BMW 550i. 400 horse, 450 pound-feet of torque. Took this car home. This one's going to auction. This is a wholesale car, not for sale, but I wanted to spend time with it because I haven't spent a ton of time. As you can tell, not been detailed, full of dog hair. That still works. Wait till you see the mileage on this thing. 178,000 miles. Which, for a lot of you, that might be seen as nothing. But for one of these, to me, that's a lot. Not to say they aren't reliable, but it's a BMW. So, take that as you will. Not that I don't like BMWs, but, you know, it's a BMW. And then, of course, you have this. You can put it into manual, and then once you hit park, that moves over. Does this have nav? It should. Oh, yeah. Alright, it does. Back to that. Let's leave that there. Yes, I activated Sirius XM on an auction car just so I could listen to Sirius XM. Don't hate me. You can tell we got snow very recently. The tires that are on this are pretty well spent. I think they're 4s or 5s. So definitely a little slippery. Plus they're aftermarket VMR wheels, so I'm not sure how well ABS and traction control are tuned for these wheels. I think they're factory size, but they may be off ever so slightly, which of course triggers ABS sooner than it should. Yada. This thing is an absolute torque missile. I love it. Even though this thing has 180,000 miles. I'm a fan of this thing. And for what we own this car for, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. This car, auction numbers are around $3,000. What? It's a pretty severe brake pulsation, but whatever. Come on, seatbelt. There you go. This thing rips. And this ain't even the M550. This is just a 550. I don't know how icy these are. I don't want to ride a guardrail. Now keep in mind, again, car's not for sale, it's a wholesale unit. It's a bit risky driving these because the shop hasn't even looked at. I have no idea what's wrong. This thing could have a subframe that's broken in half and I wouldn't know. But this car drives great, except for dog hair. little slippery there. Felt the front wheels give. Ooh, I think I just heard the baffles open. Oh, yeah, there's baffles in the exhaust. Okay, work truck. That sounded pretty good. Come on, a little 550. Man, I love this car. It's probably gonna slide. Yep, a little sideways. Told you, these tires aren't very good on this snow. Matter of fact, I was in a drive-through last night and the car was pushing through the brakes. So the front wheels were locked and it was pushing forward. I'm like, no, I want to stop. Let's not just cruise into the car in front of us, why don't we? So like, watch. Here we go. Oh, that wasn't bad. The car turned. That was an improvement. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.